Alicia Organics Private Limited. Let's grow with us. Welcome to Alicia family. Today, network marketing or direct selling is becoming the need of every household in the world. Due to less employment opportunities, the trend of people is now moving towards the direct selling industry. That is why we have brought for you a great and unique product-based direct selling platform, Alicia Organics Private Limited. Alicia is India's first direct selling company to work on olive. We operate as per the direct selling guidelines framed by the Government of India. Olive has been used by European countries for health problems since thousands of years. Consumption of olive reduces the risk of cancer. It is a store of antioxidants. It helps to keep the skin fresh and keeps the heart healthy. Most importantly, olive cures diseases and increases your body immunity, which protects you from any virus infection. The aim of Alicia Organics is to bring you the best olive-based products that you can use to stay healthy. If you also promote these products, then Alicia Organics gives you a great business where you can update your KYC and register for free. From here, you can earn 12 types of income offered by Alicia. To take advantage of all these incomes, you are required to activate your registered ID by purchasing any product package offered by the company. Here Alicia offers you 3 options. A silver package with an Alician price of 3,000 rupees, gold package with an Alician price of 6,000 rupees, and a special package with an Alician price of 15,000 rupees. You can buy any package as per your wish and you get 100% business volume on all 3 packages. You can top up your ID at any time. For that, you only have to pay the differential amount. Let us now learn about the first income source from Alicia Organics, which is retail profit. Here you can earn 25 to 30% retail profit. The margin between the MRP and the Alician price of Alicia products is called retail profit. Suppose you buy Alicia Herbal Tea, which has an MRP of 3,800 rupees and you got it at an Alician price of 3,000 rupees. Then here you get a retail profit of 800 rupees. You receive a second income in the form of 10% performance income from Alicia. You get performance income according to the packages you have purchased. To get a performance income, you first need to match pairs in a ratio of 2:1 or 1:2. Thereafter, you can match pairs in a ratio of 1:1. Here if you get your ID activated by silver package, then you can earn maximum income of 2,100 rupees per day and 64,000 rupees per month. From gold package, you can earn 4,200 rupees daily and 1,26,000 rupees per month. And from the special package, you can earn a maximum income of rupees 10,000 per day and rupees 3 lakhs per month. The third income that you receive from Alicia Organics is Alicia Direct Referral. Direct referral income is an excellent income. Here you get 50% of the performance income of your direct sponsors as direct referral income. You also get this income from your single leg, from where you can earn unlimited income anytime in life. The more direct sponsors you have, the more income you earn. In the form of rewards, you earn a fourth income from Alicia Organic, which you can get according to the given table. You get reward income on accumulation basis, where you can get rewards ranging from an Android phone to a cash reward of up to 20 crores. Now let us learn about Alicia's most spectacular income, Alicia Team Performance Income. This income you get from 5 to 38% according to the rank you have achieved, where if you purchase 500 business volume self, then you come to the level of 5%. After that, if you do 2,500 business volumes from one group and 2,500 business volumes from all other groups, then you come to 10% level and achieve bronze rank. Similarly, after doing 10,000 business volume from one group and 10,000 business volume from all other groups, you come to a level of 14%, and here you achieve silver rank. By doing 20,000 business volumes from one group and 20,000 business volumes from all other groups, you come to the level of 18% and also achieve gold rank. When you have 40,000 business volumes from one group and 40,000 business volumes from all other groups, you come to 22% and achieve a platinum rank. By doing 80,000 business volumes from one group and 80,000 business volumes from all other groups, you come to a level of 26%, and here you achieve diamond rank. By doing 1,60,000 business volumes from one group and 1,60,000 business volumes from all other groups, you come to a level of 30%, and here you achieve the rank of Royal Blue Diamond. After Royal Blue Diamond, if you do 3,20,000 business volume from one group and 3,20,000 business volume from all other groups, then you come to the level of 34%, and here you achieve the rank of Crown. Crown Ambassador is the largest and respected rank of All Asia, for which you need to have 8 lakh business volumes from one group and 8 lakh business volumes from all other groups, and here you reach the level of 38%. Here all the percentage levels you achieve are distributed to the entire team according to the performance of your team. As All Asia Silver Club, you get the 6th income. When you hit the bronze level, 8% of the Silver Club income is distributed to the Silver Club achievers according to the company monthly business volume turnover. To get this income, you are required to do 10,000 business volumes from one of your groups and 10,000 business volumes from all other groups, which are calculated according to the given formula. When you come to bronze level and do 50,000 business volume from one group and 50,000 business volume from other group, then here you also get 5% Gold Club income, which is distributed according to the company's monthly business volume turnover amongst all Gold Club achievers, and it is calculated as per the given formula. The 8th income which you get from All Asia is a travel fund, which requires you to have 2 platinum from 2 different groups. After that, if you have 1 lakh business volume from one group and 1 lakh business volume from any other group, then you earn a 2% travel fund, which is distributed according to the company's monthly business volume turnover amongst travel fund achievers as per the given formula. After the travel fund, you get 9th income in the form of a car fund, for which you need to have 2 diamonds from 2 different groups. After that, if you have 1.5 lakh business volume from one group and 1.5 lakh business volume from any other group, then you earn 2% in the form of a car fund, which is distributed according to the company's monthly business volume turnover amongst car fund achievers as per the given formula. The 10th income that you get from All Asia Organic is a house fund, for which you need to have 2 Royal Blue Diamonds from 2 different groups. After that, if you have 2 lakh business volume from one group and 2 lakh business volume from another group, then you earn 2% house fund, which is distributed according to the company's monthly business volume turnover amongst house fund achievers as per the given formula. As 11th income, you receive 7% annual fund, for which it is mandatory for you to have at least 2 Crown Ambassadors from 2 different groups, which is distributed according to the company's yearly business volume turnover amongst all annual fund achievers as per the given formula. This income is distributed according to the business conducted from 1st April to 31st March. Last but not the least, the 12th income that you receive from All Asia Organic is franchisee income. You are required to conduct at least 500 business volume self-purchases per month to receive revenue from All Asia. So friends, we invite all of you to be a part of All Asia Organics, and as a part of All Asia Organics, you can generate new employment opportunities across India. Come together to build a new, self-dependent India. Let's grow with Alisha Organics.